In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two boards and mirror information between them. To get started, open the board where you want to create the connection. This is the main board where you'll be working and where you want to see or manage related information from another board. Before making any changes, it helps to quickly confirm that you're in the correct board so the connection is set up exactly where you need it. Once you're in the right place, add a connect boards column. This column is what allows one board to link to another, making it easier to keep related items associated without having to copy information manually. When you add this type of column, you're essentially creating a bridge between two separate boards. After that, choose the board you want to connect to. This second board should contain the related items you want to link back to your main board. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct board, especially if you have several with similar names or purposes. Picking the right one now will save time later and help keep your workflow organized. Next, click a cell in the Connect Boards column. This is where you'll create the actual link for a specific item. When you select the cell, you'll be able to choose the matching or related item from the other board. Go ahead and select the appropriate item so the two records are connected properly. This step is important because it tells the system exactly which items belong together. If you want to display information from the connected board directly on your current board, add a mirror column. A mirror column pulls in selected details from the linked item. So instead of opening the other board every time, you can see useful information right from your main view. This is especially helpful for tracking updates, statuses, owners, or other key fields at a glance. Finally, confirm that the boards are linked correctly. Check that the connected item appears in the Connect Boards column. And if you added a mirror column, make sure the mirrored information is displaying as expected. If something doesn't look right, review the selected board and linked item to ensure everything matches up. That's it. Once the connection is in place, your boards can work together more efficiently, helping you centralize information and reduce manual updates.